Hello everybody, my name is Martin Moore and this is one of my trick tutorials. A fun thing to do is juggling. Juggling with 3 balls looks good, you can impress your friends, it's good exercise, and actually it isn't as difficult to do as you might think. First of all, to learn to juggle, we need to find something to juggle with. A juggling ball that is about the size and weight of a medium-sized orange is ideal for the size of most people's hands. Unless you're very, very small, medium-sized orange would be the ideal size to start juggling with. These are bean bags. I bought these in my local juggling shop. These are perfect for juggling. A lot of people think that a tennis ball would be a good idea. Tennis balls are a little too light and they bounce off your hands. This juggling pattern is called a cascade. It is the basic juggling pattern that all of the other juggling patterns are based around. So the basic cascade is where we're going to start. Actually, it's not where we're going to start. It's near where we're going to start, because we aren't going to start with 3 balls, we aren't going to start with 2 balls, we are going to start practicing with 1 ball. Get your ball and throw it from one hand to the other. The ball, when it goes up, should go roughly about the height of the top of your head. Just roughly the height of the top of your head. Too high and it becomes less stable to catch it. Too low and it's too fast. So it throws up and down from left to right, roughly about the height of your head. Have a go, see if you can do that. Okay, hopefully everybody was successful. Here's the next part. We now throw the ball from our right hand back into our right hand. So it goes up on one side, comes back on the same side. Our hands are roughly at right angles. Our arm is at right angles to our body, just about shoulder width apart, a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Up to the right, back down. Then we do the throw we already learnt to the other hand. Then we throw left hand and catch back in our left hand. So up in the left, across to the right, up, down, across, up, down, across, up, down, across. And when you throw it, you're aiming for a spot that is roughly above head height and above where your arm is. So slightly wider than your shoulders, about head height. This is the 2 spots that we are aiming for when we're juggling in this little pattern. Up to there, then we throw across, up to there, then we throw back across again. Give that a little go and see how you get on. Okay, hopefully you've had some success. Now you can throw the ball up and you can throw the ball across. You can throw up and you can throw across. The next stage is we have 2 balls. Now, we are going to throw the ball from our right hand across in exactly the same pattern as we did when we were doing just 1 ball. But this time we are going to aim for that place that we know about. Remember, it was up here. We were throwing up to there. So we're going to aim to have the ball from the right hand go to that place. Let's try it. Ah, did you see what happened? When I throw, I'll do it from my left hand to that same place. I have to throw the other ball back or I would end up with 2 balls in one hand. We don't want that. So it's as easy as this. Remember, the places that we're aiming for are about head height, slightly above head height, slightly wider than your shoulders. These 2 places right here. My right hand throws 1 ball there. My left hand throws the ball back. I am aiming to throw to these places and they drop down. Let's try again. Right, left, left, right. As soon as the ball reaches this place and starts to drop down, we throw the other ball. So let's have a look. Up, down, throw, throw, left, right. Go and have a go. See how you get on. Okay, hopefully everybody had some success with that. let's just quickly do a recap in case you're having problems. With one ball, we throw, remember, we're aiming for this place over here, and then it starts to drop down. It gets to its highest point and starts to drop down. When we had the two balls, as soon as this one starts to drop down, we throw the other one back because we do not want two balls in one hand. Let's have a look. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Right, left, boom. Left, right, boom. Yes, we can do it. Great. Okay, 3 balls. Let's see how we get on with this. It is exactly the same thing. I throw to that same place, and when it starts to fall downwards, I'm going to throw the other ball back again, and then I'm going to repeat it. So we never have 2 balls in one hand. It looks like this. Can you see what's happening? Every time the ball gets to this place that we've identified and starts to drop, I throw the other ball back again. So I never have 2 balls in one hand. My hands never come together. The balls don't come together here. They always go in the same place that we looked at. Let's have another quick look. Up, 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 up. And that is the basic 3-ball cascade. As you get better at it, you'll be able to do it a little bit faster. And when you get good, you'll be able to do it quite low, like this, which I think looks good. Have a go, have a practice, see how you get on. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video. I'll be posting new videos all the time, so subscribe and come and learn some more tricks. Have a good time.